Hey, it's TZH here with Technological Gadgets, always aiming to bring you the best in tech and make tech work for you. On this channel, we sometimes do tech tutorials, but more often than not, we do tech gear reviews just like this one. So if that's the content that you like, make sure to drop a like and also remember to subscribe to help support this channel. Are you looking for a microphone to record vocals, podcasts, YouTube videos and stream on, but are on a really tight budget? Because this microphone that I'm recording on right now, unfiltered, costs just $6 from Challenger, might be all you ever need. First, let's take a look at the packaging and the unboxing experience. You are greeted with a clear packaging with the microphone inside, as well as some marketing material that you can see on the front and on the back as well. Opening it up is pretty easy as it is held in by the staples, and you get the microphone itself, which is already installed in its given stand, and this piece of paper with the marketing materials written on it. First, let's talk about the design and build quality. The actual microphone itself is detachable from its stand and can be used as a handheld microphone. Moreover, it does look really clean with a matte black body, a black grille for the capsule, a silver trim just below it, and an on-off switch to mute the microphone, as well as a rubber cable coming out of the back of this microphone while being relatively compact. However, looks can be deceiving as this microphone feels really cheap, as it is made out completely of matte black plastic except the grille, which is surprisingly metal, with the switch feeling pretty loose and the 1.4 meter cable, which terminates into a 3.5mm DRS headphone jack, feeling frail and thin. As for the stand, it is pretty short, which is sad. However, you can adjust the angle of the microphone, which I really like, as well as the base being very small and compact for easy storage and portability. Sadly, the base is pretty light and has no rubber at the bottom, so beware of it slipping and moving around. But other than that, it is made out of matte black plastic and looks pretty clean. Moving on to the specs. Inside, the actual microphone features a 9x7mm capsule facing the top of the microphone, which I suspect for this price will be an electric one, while having a omnidirectional polar pattern and a sensitivity of -58 decibels with a ±2 decibels. Of course, I'll be doing a sound test unfiltered, sitting at different distances away from the microphone so you can hear how it sounds. This is how the microphone sounds when I'm 3 inches away from it, and this is how it sounds like when I'm 5 inches away from it. Lastly, this is how I sound like 1 feet away from the microphone. Then I'll be silent for a second so you can hear how much background noise the microphone picks up. Also, I'll be spinning the microphone around so you can determine the polar pattern, and I'll be talking so you guys can see the vocal pickup polar pattern as you can hear it right now. As this microphone has a handheld mode, I will be passing it from hand to hand so you guys can hear the handling noise. And now I'll be performing a plosive test. As for testing sound quality, I will try to do a voiceover. Hey guys, Technological Gadgets here, bringing you the best in tech and making tech work for you. You can hear the microphone does sound really good, though it picks up a decent amount of background noise. So I do recommend you to sit either closer to the microphone and turn the gain down, or use something like a noise suppression and a noise gate to solve that issue. As for the actual sound quality, it does sound really good, picking up a decent amount of mid-bass in my voice while sounding pretty clear. But it does struggle quite a lot to pick up really low end frequencies as well as higher frequencies in my voice. due to there being a pretty good bass and especially high-end roll-off. But other than that, for $6, this is an awesome microphone and definitely an upgrade from many budget or even high-end headsets or built-in microphones. Plus, since it uses a TRS connection, you can get a TRS to a TRRS adapter and use it with your smartphone or laptop, or you can plug this microphone directly into your camera for better audio. Also, some accessories that I would recommend you to pick up is this cheap $10 USB sound card to get more consistent and better audio, especially if your computer has a really crappy internal sound card, and a cheap $10 boom mount to raise it off your desk and bring it closer to your mouth for much better audio. If you would like to pick up this microphone, you can go to any Challenger store in Singapore and ask them for $6 microphone, and they should be able to get it for you if you can't seem to find it yourself. Lastly, if you like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tech content just like this.